we're going to meet a group of young people that have taken part in a media project which encouraged them to use the Welsh language. The film's called The Boys Got Balls, and here's a clip.
This will lift the roof as he stuck it over.
Okay, welcome to the studio. So boys, who have we got with us today?
Jordan. Yeah.
Stephen.
And the three of you are in the film, yeah?
Yes.
Without giving too much away then, what is the film about?
Well, it's about a boy who doesn't like rugby.
But his
But
family
he-
loves it, but he doesn't like playing rugby. He first played bowls instead.
So it was set in Mountain Ash Bowls Club, is that right?
Yes.
So were there any famous people there, or did you use the people in the...
We used the people who were just having dinner. And
Right.
rudely we stopped people from having a game just to film.
How did they find that?
Well, they thought it was good because they got to go on
Quite
camera, didn't
entertaining.
they?
Oh, right.
Quite entertaining.
Okay then, boys, you're going to show us some Welsh. You're going to say a few words for us,
Sydauti, Poioti,
which means...
how are you, who are you, and then we've just been learning stuff, simple words like achos, which is
Bore
because.
dad, Jordan and Rooney.
Okay. Excellent. Brilliant.
So Leonie, is there a scheme set up if somebody wants to join this who doesn't know much about it?
Oh, well, KIC works with young people in Llanfairpwll from the age of 11 to 25.
Right.
So we like to try and work with as many young people as possible. And more information can be found on our website, well, the Mentor Iaith website, because KIC is a partnership between Mentor Iaith, the Earth, and Llanfairpwll Council.
Excellent. Okay, so for a link to that site, you can log on to www.realvalleysmedia.co.uk. Thanks very much for coming in.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
See
Thank you,
y'all.
boys. I'm sure we'll see you on TV in the future.